Hello everyone, welcome to another video of VIEH job search series. So today we are having the job opening position from Sumasoft Private Limited. The company is hiring a female security analyst. Those who are applying as a automated tester or a quality assurance tester, they are not applicable. Those who have experience in vulnerability assessment and penetration testing that are eligible for this particular position. For this position you need to have knowledge in the web application testing, different type of vulnerabilities, how to secure the web application from different type of attacks, knowledge in network penetration testing, also in the mobile penetration testing, Android and iOS. The location is the Pune, Maharashtra. Company is hiring only female candidates, those who are having 6 months to 2 years of experience in the mobile web API and network penetration testing. So if you think you have sufficient knowledge and skill in this particular domain, you can share your resume at sile.relegar@sumasoft.net. So if you have any query or doubt regarding this video, you can ask in the comment section. Well, so that's it for the today's video. Thank you for the watching.